Okay, so if you're in the Midwest and you have a Meijer store near you, I'm gonna go over some of what I recommend. There's not a whole lot that I would recommend as far as vacuum cleaners go. Um, this is probably your best option here. This Hoover High Performance Pet. Um, this is really the only machine that I would recommend. You have basically a filter and dirt cup system and all that. It's probably the best agitation you're gonna get. It's the best brush roller I've seen on any modern vacuum cleaner. It's still not the best in the world, but there's the box. I believe it's about $239.99, so $240. If you need a decent vacuum cleaner, I would recommend the Hoover Wind Tunnel High Performance Pet. No guarantees on lifespan, but it is one of the best built, especially if you have wall-to-wall carpeting. The Shark vacuum cleaners, they will get you by for a time, but they're not a long-term investment. Don't buy these thinking you're going to have them for a very long time and be able to find parts. Shark does not supply most parts available to average consumers. Not even to repair people or dealers. They just don't. They're designed to be thrown away. This is basically the same price for these Sharks here as this Hoover, and these Hoovers you can actually get parts for. So, yeah, it's really not worth it, in my opinion. You know, again, this is a bagged Bissell. You know, this is pretty much the only bagged vacuum cleaner that's available nowadays. And you can't really get much for that. And so basically, you're just kind of stuck with whatever they give you. So that's all. And yes, that's pretty much all I recommend. There's not a lot that I would recommend nowadays, unfortunately. If you want a good vacuum cleaner, look on the used market and try and find, you know, what you can. Or just go into a vacuum cleaner dealer that will sell you one that'll last 20 or 30 years. So, hope this was informative. Thank you for watching.